Hello guys and welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'll be showing you how do you access Instagram insights. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First of all, what you need to do is you're going to open up your Instagram, and then the insights option is actually available on the business accounts. So what you need to do is, first of all, you need to create a business account, or you can just convert your existing account into a business one. So now right now this is a fresh account, so obviously the insights won't work that well, but I'm going to show you how it's done. On the top right, you're going to press on the settings bar, and then you're going to go to your settings. Once you're on your settings, you're going to go to account, and we're going to scroll down, and we're going to switch to professional account, which I was initially referring to as business account. This is what I actually meant. Switch to personal account, professional account. Just swipe, see what it offers, and just press continue. Once you've pressed continue, you can just add anything as our display, what describes us. So I'm going to press OK now, and once it's done, we're going to wait. It says it can take up to 30 seconds, so we're going to wait for that. And once it's done, I'm going to hit creator, I'm going to hit next, I'm going to hit next and continue. Maybe not now. All right, once you set up your profile, actually I just had to cut it out because I was kind of stuck in a loop, but I got out. Now you have this professional dashboard. You can hit that, and now you have all your ad tools, brand content, and you can find all sorts of stuff here. And then on the top you see the account insights. On the top right, you can press see all, and now you can browse. You can just view your profiles insights. So that is all from this video. That is pretty much how you can access Instagram insights. So thank you for watching, and like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be seeing you in the next one. Thank you.